everyone. It's Dr. Kat Brown, the medical director at Winona. I got the question, is chronic bladder pain without a UTI a sign or a symptom of menopause? This is actually not a common symptom of menopause. There are a lot of bladder symptoms that can be. So typically we'll notice an increase in urinary frequency and urgency, that gotta go right now kind of feeling. Or you may also notice more bladder incontinence or leakage of urine when you don't want to. When you have coughing, laughing, sneezing, you might lose little bits of urine, or even when you're on the way to the restroom, the famous key in the door phenomenon where you're like almost home, almost to the bathroom, and then all of a sudden you might leak a little bit of urine trying to get to the bathroom in time. These can be much more common in perimenopause and menopause, but actually having pain is not a common symptom. So if you're having bladder pain, that means you should have it evaluated. So you typically will get a urinalysis and a urine culture to see if you have a urinary tract infection, but you can have another condition happening if you have pain. So get it checked out. That's my little news for you this month.